Hi, I'm Matt with Welder Supply, and today we're going to check out Miller's new 211 Pro MIG Welder. There are some big upgrades from the previous 211, and we're here to check those out today. Alright, as we open the box to our brand new 211 Pro MIG Welder, first thing we are going to find is our operating manual. And inside of this bag, our inert gas hose, our ground clamp cable, our ground clamp, your free material thickness gauge, and some extra consumables. The next thing we're going to find is our M100 series MIG gun. Now this MIG gun is improved and upgraded from our previous M100 MIG gun that came with our 211. This gun has 5 feet extra of reach. You'll also find our pressure regulator, so we're all ready and set to weld. So we got our machine out of our box, and the first thing that I noticed immediately was how significantly lighter this machine is compared to the original 211. Now let's open it up. Now inside, you are going to find your DINS connections, which are industrial grade and different from the original 211. These offer easy operation whether you're trying to plug into a DC positive or a DC negative terminal, depending if you want to use flux-cored or hardwire. Another thing that you'll find is your 110 outlet for home use. Another new feature that Miller brought to the table, space to put in a USB drive. Now this is great if you want to upgrade or fix your machine. Inside the door, you'll also find a quick reference guide. This will help you set your parameters to show you which gas you're using, which polarity, and the voltage and wire feed speed that you should be using depending on the material thickness. Let's turn on the machine and see all the new features. Now the first thing that you're going to notice is the new user interface. It's a 4.3-inch LCD screen. Now another new feature we're going to find is the auto set. Now with Miller's auto set, you can change your parameters depending on your different processes, the type of gas you're using, the diameter of wire, and the material thickness. The new 211 Pro even has gas detection and built-in weld settings to help operators of every skill level get their job done right. Now let's talk performance. The MIG 211 Pro brings a higher duty cycle to your weld. Here's a look at how that compares whether you're using a 240 volt or 120 volt. There you have it, everything you need to know about the brand new upgraded MIG 211 Pro from Miller. If you want to get your hands on one of these to improve your welds and efficiency, hit the link below or visit weldersupply.com and get a free spool gun with your online order. Thanks for watching.